You go in there slipping, you might as well have stayed your butt in the car. Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with my Walmart IBOTTA haul. Yes guys, this week my midweek bonus was $5 for 15 rebates. I decided to do this in 2 parts, okay? So I'm gonna have different clothes on in this video. But I also wanna show you guys something that I found on clearance, 2 things that I found on clearance, and an item that I purchased to put mine and my husband's lunch in. So let's jump into the video. The first rebate I decided to get was the big highlighters. Now this is actually the 5+1 bonus pack. This one is the one that's attaching to the $1 IBOTTA rebate. These were priced $1.97 each. I had to purchase 2 in order to use the coupon for a total of $3.94. The $2 came off in store. I paid $1.94. IBOTTA is giving me back $1 for each one, making these be free and a 6 cents money maker. Next rebate, guys, I decided to get was these. This is the Quaker mini dips. This is the summer night s'mores. Ooh, these are going on the pantry door for the snacks for our lunch, okay? These were priced $4.98. Now, I did have a Quaker coupon that is $1 off of 2 Quaker products. So 50 cents of that coupon attached to this, dropping the cost in store. Plus, there is $1.25 coming back from IBOTTA, making the final cost $3.23 for the chewy mini dips. Great deal. Next thing that I got was the Quaker strawberry banana oatmeal again, because the other half of the coupon attached to this. Now this was $2.50 in store. 50 cents of the coupon applied to this. There is $1.25 coming back from IBOTTA. Plus, there is some Shopkick. So scan in store and upload the receipt is going to give you back 42 cents from Shopkick, making the final cost for this only 33 cents. That is great because you know my husband eats oatmeal every day, guys. The next rebate I decided to do was on the 6-pack of the Oreo Thins. These were priced $2.98 in my Walmart. There's $1 coming back from IBOTTA, making the final cost only $1.98 for the 6-pack. These are going on the pantry door. Next rebate I decided to get. This is like a lunch haul, okay? Like everything is going on the pantry door, okay? For our lunch. The next one, which is actually my favorite flavor of the Mrs. Freshley's Deluxe, the Hershey's Triple Chocolate Cakes. These things are so good. If you have not tried them, you need to. $2.86. Now they actually dropped my rebate to 75 cents. I think it was $1 before. So it's only 75 cents now, but still a good deal because I like them. $2.11 final cost. And I got something else that's going in the lunch, okay? The Tasty Cakes, pecan swirls. These are for my husband because I don't eat them. So I'll be putting these in individual sandwich bags for him to eat these. All right. These are priced $1.28, 80 cents coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost, 48 cents. Next rebate, guys, was on the Depends silhouettes. These were priced $11.97. I did a live about these yesterday because it's such a great deal and I wanted you to get it. $11.97. There's 2 rebates that's actually attaching to this. There's a $10 rebate and there's a $3 rebate. And because both of rebates are attaching, it's going to give you the $1 bonus, which is a total of $14 back, making this be free and a $2.03 moneymaker. I didn't have a coupon. I could not find a coupon, but if you guys were able to locate a coupon, let us know in the comments below, okay? The Breyers is priced $3.88 in my Walmart. There's a $1 IBOTTA rebate. Final cost, $2.88. Now, the next rebate I did get was the Breyers ice cream because it actually reset from me doing it the other day and getting the vanilla. So this time I got the cookies and cream. It's priced $3.88. Now there's $1 coming back from Ibotta, dropping it to $2.88, but there is 1,200 points coming back to me from my Fetch account. So at first when I uploaded the receipt, it only gave me 25 points, and I was like, Fetch. So I corrected the receipt and it gave me my 1,200 points, which is the equivalent of $1.20, dropping the cost to $1.68 for the cookies and cream ice cream. Now, next thing I got, guys, was the goldfish. I included this in the live as well because I didn't realize it was a free item. So the goldfish was priced $1.88 in my Walmart. There is $1.89 rebate coming back from Ibotta, making it be free and a 1-cent moneymaker. Now, the next rebate, guys, was the Country Crock Plant Butter, okay, at the tub. There's also a rebate for the sticks. The sticks are actually priced a little more, so I decided to get this one. Now, these were priced $2.18. There's a 75-cent coupon that Crystal did not use because she was so thrown off by self-checkout. Drop my cost in the store to $1.43. Oh, that's what it should have dropped my cost in the store to. Okay, 75 cents from Ibotta, making the final cost 68 cents for the Country Crock Plant Butter. I'm gonna tell you guys, that's the reason why you got to pay attention when you coupon. Telling you, you don't pay attention. You gotta be firing on all pistons when you coupon it. You go in there slipping, you might as well have to stage your butt in the car, because you gonna mess around and you gonna overpay. Because if Crystal had been firing on all pistons, then I would have seen it. I would have seen it. So I did see it. And the next deal, guys, was a botch, but I'm gonna go back to Walmart and get my money back because it really had me in my feelings. When I scanned this item, it was ringing up at $4.17, but upon closer look at my receipt, it actually charged me $5.97, which is totally unacceptable. I must go get my money back. And the big bright liners. Now, y'all know I had did this earlier, but it reset. So these were $1.97. So upon this being the right price, it was supposed to be $6.14. The $2 coupon comes off. I would pay $4.14, right? I would get back $1 from Ibotta for this and $2 for this with the rebate, okay? Making this drop to $1.14 for the two. But that did not happen because they overcharged me for this. It doesn't matter. It's not my fault that when you scan in the app, it comes up one price, and then when you buy it in the store, it's a whole nother freaking price. You can give me my money back, Walmart. I ain't playing with y'all today. We not about to keep taking Coupon and Crystal's coupon money, and no, it's robbery. Let's call it what it is. It's stealing. Now, guys, let's jump into the clearance and the other products that I wanted to show you guys. I was excited because I went in the clearance section looking for Ibotta rebates, of course, and I happened to find the kids' face mask that were priced only $3. I think that's pretty great, okay? They are going to be easy to breathe through, soft, odorless, non-irritating, easy to put on, no string to tie, and they're a triple layered mask for $3 for 25 masks. I think that's a pretty good deal, guys. So I hope you will be able to find these at your Walmart, okay? Can you see that SKU? Next thing I was super excited to find was these doggone wipes on clearance, okay? They had these wipes on clearance for $1, a whole stack of them. So you know what Crystal did? I bought 5 packs. Yes, I did. I surely did. I'm going to tell you why I bought them. Because they probably going to start limiting how much you can buy as it starts to get cold weather. And they think they're going to be letting us be staying in the house again. Okay? Just going to say. Don't say I didn't tell you. Lord knows I don't want that to happen, guys. But you need to prepare. I'm just saying. So, this... First of all, let me just say this. We're couponers, so we should always be ready. Just saying. All right, so these are disinfecting wipes. And what I thought was very interesting about these wipes is the wipe says it kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. It says kills coronavirus that causes COVID-19. That's all I need to see right there. I was like, oh, I'll be taking these in the store with me. Thank you very much. And wiping off my buggy. How about that? Okay. So I got 5 packs of these. Super excited about that. And they had a whole slew of them. So I might go back and buy some more. Who knows? The next thing that I wanted to share with you guys was this product right here. Okay. Now, I have purchased the Brilliance, the Rubbermaid Brilliance product that has stain guard and shatterproof and leak proof. Okay, this is like Walmart's version or Mainstay's version of that product. Okay, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I wanted to see what you guys thought about it and if you have ever tried it. It's food storage containers with Triton technology. All right, so what it is supposed to do, it's supposed to be stain and leak proof. That's what I want. Okay, I don't like containers that stain. They stain, they go into the trash. Okay, so super excited about these containers, guys. They kind of snap like, well, let me say this, the Brilliance ones snap a little different. Okay, but I'm cool with this. These actually snap like some glass ones that I bought from Sam's Club. Okay, but I did not want to have the glass ones going out of the house in my husband's lunch every day and in my lunch every day, because I feel like they're going to be hot to the touch when he puts them in the microwave. I just don't think that's going to be a good combination. They're going to be heavier because they're glass in his lunchbox. These will be a lot more travel friendly. So that's the reason why I got these. So as you can see, they do have the rubber seal. Okay, it has the rubber seal, and I'm really excited about these, guys, because this is the issue. Okay, my husband takes his lunch to work. All right, and I told you guys my husband is at work basically all day. Okay, he's at work a long time. Okay, he's at work a long time, so I make him basically 2 lunches with snacks and stuff in between. Okay, so I need his stuff to be lightweight, I need it to be travel friendly, and I need it to not leak. Okay, that's the big thing, because this meal prep containers, they're not meant for that. They're leaking. Okay, and that's just not gonna work. So I think these are going to be great. Let me show you guys the different sizes. So we got this size, we got 2 this size, which is going to be an excellent size for lunch. We've got this size. Okay, I could put a meal in that, most definitely. We've got this size. A meal can definitely go in that. And look at the big boy. This size. Okay, yeah, a meal can go, a big old meal can go in that. But I probably won't send this one because this is like really going to be snug in his lunchbox. Okay, so we won't do that one. We'll reserve this one for home. But I think it's going to be great because he can have one, I can have one, and then, you know, and depending on how this actually goes, I'm probably going to actually purchase another box. The cost was $14.92 in comparison to the Brilliance, which was actually going to be only 5 containers for, I think, $15.07. I was getting 1 less container, but I was paying a few cents more. So as long as this is not going to be, you know, a bad product, I think it's going to be fine, though. I honestly do. And I was looking to make sure, because of course, you know, we're going to be microwaving it and things of that nature, but it says it's shatter resistant and able to withstand freezer storage. Okay, it's leak proof, it's airtight, it's got the stuff that I want. Of course, it's got the little symbols on it, so it's fine for the microwave and have that that weird stuff in it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm really excited about it, guys. I hope it does well for his lunch and my lunch. The reason why I want to see how they do before I purchase another box, because I need to have, he gets home once I'm in the bed, okay? So I'm asleep. So I need to have multiple containers. That way I can make lunch and have a lunch ready and not have to wait for him to come home with the container. That ain't gonna work. So we're gonna see how it goes, guys. I will keep y'all in the loop. That is it for the haul, guys. I did get my midweek bonus of $5 for doing all my rebates. I hope you guys were able to watch to the end, because, you know, as I told you before, some of the rebates reset, actually resulting in, you know, it being a better deal, okay? So remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.